Welcome Miami, another beautiful day. You want to make the best linguine with crab you ever had in your life? Then follow me. Ingredients: some chili, garlic, cherry tomatoes, fresh crab meat. This is fresh that we bought at the local market. Parsley, and then of course vino bianco, white wine, and extra virgin olive oil. The really good extra virgin oil. We use the organic from Sogno Toscano. Linguine, handmade linguine, made with love. Let's go. Garlic, boom. Extra virgin olive oil, mucho. We warm up the oil till nice and hot, and now we're gonna put the garlic. Guys, don't be afraid of garlic. Italians, they hate garlic. I love garlic. I'm a garlic person. All right, now peperoncino. That's it. There we go. This is good. Cherry tomatoes. 1, 2, 3. There we go. There we go. Nice. A little bit of salt. Okay. So we're gonna wait till the tomato a little bit more cooked. And we're gonna put a crab, okay? Fresh crab meat, guys. All right, let's cook it now. Let's cook. Guess what we're gonna do right now with this thing? We're gonna add vino bianco. All right. Et voila, look at this. A little bit more olive oil. Don't be afraid. So water is boiling. And we're gonna add our salt. All right, and we make the famous ocean water for the pasta, okay? So we went with our fresh linguine inside. Fresh linguine, 3-4 minutes. Pasta ready, fresh linguine. Just small tagliolini the linguine, but yeah, similar. This is one of my favorite also pasta, you know, either with tuna, crab meat, or with lobster, or with shrimp. This is nice, very, very good. Let's add some parsley, fresh Italian parsley, to give color but also flavor. Perfect with any pasta with seafood. There we go. Now we add this. Wonderful. Our pasta is ready. Our fresh pasta with the crab meat, fresh cherry tomato, and parsley. It's ready. A little bit of olive oil. There we go. Here's our linguine with fresh crab meat, cherry tomato, and parsley. All right, here for you. This is a fantastic summer pasta. Refreshing, nice, light. And already it's gonna be a fantastic dish. Let's try it together. This is the perfect pasta for my wife. She loves this. Excellent. Look at this. A fresh cherry tomato. I'm gonna have another one because I have to, because it's so good. You're gonna find also this one soon on our special Parsley pasta. Come here in Miami to visit us, okay?